Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's video we're going to unbox this West End watch right in front of me here. This watch here is on loan from our boutique, and really I gotta thank our boutique for generously loaning me all these watches for my videos. Let me just flip open the cover here and see what model we've got inside here. So this is the full retail packaging. You've got the outer cardboard box here, and inside you have all the wrappers, and this one here is like a faux leather type of box, the retail box inside, and here we've got all the manuals and all that, and this is the watch we are unboxing. Ta-da! Alright, so this one here, I believe it is a similar watch to something I've reviewed before, that one with the two-tone green and gold kind of a Datejust look-alike, and over here I think this is also a similar date or Datejust type of look-alike design. Only difference being this one here has got Tibetan numbers as hour markers here on the dial. Over here we've got Tibetan numerals on each of the hour markers here, and I think this is probably the selling point of this watch. So we've got this one here on a precedent bracelet, if I'm not wrong here. So double pusher kind of a stem clasp here. I do believe that the bracelet links are solid. Let's just take a look at the dial here again. So I've never come across such a dial before. Tibetan numerals. Alright, this one here has got the engine turn bezel as well as a display back, so plenty of features not found on Rolex watches. Alright, so ironic, isn't it? This is like a copy of Rolex Date or Datejust, but there are many features here not found on Rolex watches. So I've just zoomed in the lens a little bit, and I've also removed the protective film here for you to get a better look at the dial here. Alright, so the hands are sort of out of the way so that you can see all the dial printing. So plenty of stuff going on the dial here. So we've got the minute track, and of course the really unique Tibetan numerals, the logo here, and we've also got plenty of stuff going on at the 6 o'clock area. Prima, some kind of crosshair logo, and the automatic 26 jewel. So if I'm not wrong, this is a 2893 movement because it's got a date complication. Yet to confirm what movement this is. So this has to be one of those 38 millimeters kind of a dressy evening type of gentleman watch. So I refrain from using the word uncle to describe such watches. Okay, so I'll just say a gentleman of a certain age. So perhaps the target market would be, you know, this crowd here. All right, definitely looks like a watch built for more dressier events. I think overall this one here is sort of an oddball design where you really need to appreciate how unique the Tibetan numerals are. So it's good to know that this is Swiss made, and it's got a Swiss movement, of course. Overall build quality is the usual standard affair, stainless steel, all stainless steel, and I must admit that the bracelet here is not the highest quality. You've got plenty of stamp parts here, from the end links to the clasp, but buckle here seems pretty good, pretty nice, right? Small, slim, fits the watch very well. So spend some time with the watch and I'll give you a full review of this one here. Stay tuned. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.